Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today, sorry about my hair, it's crap, but today we're going, I can introduce my guest. Today I have a guest, I'm sorry about the camera. I have a guest, and his name is Logan Paul. Not exactly. And so today we're going go, first of all, subscribe to my channel, watch this whole video, watch all my videos, give my channel a like, and comment down below you are new Tay, or comment down below your favorite type of slime. And go subscribe to his channel, Livestreamer 101. And if you're like a hockey fan or any of those and you're watching this video, he plays a hockey game on his channel.
NHL 18. I'll be starting a series at that for my Be a Pro series. And I really haven't won many games so far.
So today,
where I'm at right now. So I'll start.
oh my gosh!
What?
It's not a vlog.
I don't care. I'm going. You can do that while I do mine.
I'll go. Wait, so you're just gonna leave?
Kind of. Kind of not.
It was your plan to make this video.
That was true. My plan.
No, you should have left your chair.
How? I need this to game. I need to sit down.
Bah.
Stand up.
Bah, bah, bah. Just gonna. So this video is gonna be long because Logan changed his mind, and so now we're not gonna be doing what we were going to do before.
We could, but couldn't.
I'll give you 2 minutes.
That's not even enough for a period in a Be a Pro.
Okay, so I'll just go talk while you be quiet.
You can start making your slime.
Why'd you just give them to that? So yeah, I'm going to be making slime.
Oh, should I start my Minecraft video?
No, we were both gonna do a video at the same. I'm sorry about this. So yes, I'm doing slime, and before I do that, in the future, I'm hoping to make 2 more channels, like one of vlogging, and this one would rather be a vlogging. This one would be the vlogging, one is slime, and one an unboxing. And sorry about my hair, it's, like I said, crap. So, which one should I make? The
Glow in the dark.
without you?
Yeah.
You want to make a mermaid slime?
You can make which one you want.
I want to make the glow in the dark with you. So, I have to go get my mixing stuff, and this is the mermaid one.
I'm going up. Actually, no, I'm not.
I have to go get my mixing stuff, and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back, and I have my 2 cups, my water, and my golden pencil for mixing. And you can use like a straw or a fork, but if you make a video, that would be annoying, no offense. But like mixing in a glass bowl with a fork, like a metal fork, that would like kind of ding and like make an annoying sound. So no offense, but I'm not trying to be rude or anything. And if I am rude, you can be quiet. I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to get the tape off of this. Yeah, and Logan's making his own video, and he just quit on me. Yes.
You need to work. I don't care if the gameplay blocks. I don't care. Yeah, I don't.
We're all listening to you scream.
I know you are. That's why I'm screaming.
Dumb. There's beads. There's glitter glue. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look it. It's so pretty. It's glitter glue.
Have you ever heard this soundtrack? It's the best. Besides NHL.
Glitter glue.
I don't know.
What's this? Tetra Boy? Yep, and it's very chunky. Like all the chunks that I find. Oh, I didn't need a mixing pencil. It came with a mixing spoon and mixing stick. It came with clear beads. I'll help you guys out. You see it better like that. A mixing cup. And see sequins. So I've done one of these kits before. If you haven't seen the unicorn slide, go watch that. I'm sorry about that. Go watch that video. I know what to do beforehand.
Where's my slime I made? Okay, yeah, it's not in here. I lost it.
So we need to open the Tetra Boy. And I'm sorry if I'm not reading them out loud. I read better quietly. And then 1 spoonful.
What's my name?
Oh, God. I kind of spilt some. No worries. Then all we gotta do is just...
Let's go for the B. BR. We got to go to the BR. Let's go to BR. Where's BR?
Nobody will know. So that's about a spoonful. And then we're gonna put in some... And I know it's not warm water. It's cold, so we work. Logan's being so loud.
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Oh, God.
So this is my activator. It looks like this. We're going to put that off to the side. So it's saying to open, sorry about the cup. So it's saying to open up the sequins beforehand because it says your hands will be getting messy. So I'm scared about this. And then I'll do the beads too.
Brother, I'm blind. Player, player.
Says open the sequin mix and bead packets and have ready as your hands will get messy later. So,
Mask. USA mask.
add glitter glue to the sodium Tetra Boy and begin to stir the mix stick. Pour as much glue as you would like. What? I didn't understand that. Like, that's not how you make slime. You don't just pour it right into the activator. That's like dumb, bro. So I'm gonna do it the way I know how to make it. So I'm doing it the way I know how to make it because I've seen videos about this and they make it the way the instructions say and it doesn't work because they make too much activator. And I usually make too much activator just in case it's sticky at the end and I want to make sure. And I am not going to do it that way because I'm not going to be dumb and listen to them. Okay, so that's the whole container empty. And I know it looks like there's some down here, but there is just glitter glue on the sides. And then you're supposed to add this. So I'll just add slowly and then mix. I know it's the wrong way, but doing it the way I know how to, so I don't get tricked. So I don't get swindled. And swindled means tricked. I think I might need to pour the whole thing. I'm just going to start pouring.
I'm going to go to Minnesota instead. Oh, great. I can't be number 10. Great. I can't be number 10. No!
This is not ready so far, so I'm just going to...
I didn't do it right, guys. I did not. No, I wouldn't be number 10 with the Wild. Even though I know they have a number 10. It's Chris Stewart. Oh, come on.
And you guys in the comments below, you guys can ask whatever kind of video you want me to do, or like vlog, or anything you want me to do. I will do it. Ew, it's wet. It's like wet.
Whoa.
Ew. Ew.
We're 66 overall. Why are we so bad?
Just feels like the glue. And they were right. My hands are very messy, bro.
What number am I? Please say.
They're this messy just from touching. I wish I had a napkin, but I do not, so I'm going to just keep on working with it. So now I know why it told me to pour the glue.
Forever. I really hope I'm not a backup. No, I mean, I'm a backup. I'm a backup baby. Sweet. I like
And I might have poured too much just to get it working. Oh, it's thick. It's thick. I'm gonna just take it. This is not all of it. Just gonna work it in my hands. Oh my gosh, it was right. My hands are so messy. Why are you singing that?
Score! No!
Oh my gosh, look at my hands.
Fight me, bro.
Bad idea. But gotta keep mixing. Gotta keep working with what I have. It's finally starting to come together. I'm telling myself maybe I should add water to make it thicker. Because I have all of this all over the place.
Now I'm gonna get a fight. Into a fight. Fight me, bro. I want better.
I know I might be overactivated,
Nope.
but it isn't my fault. It's of the glue. So I wouldn't blame it on me. Sorry. If you guys are planning to.
No, I put it back to the point.
And then all I'm gonna do is just mix it in my hands. I know I'm not following the directions because it just said pour the glue straight into the activator. Like, that's dumb, bro. That's dumb. Shouldn't do that.
Yes, we're gonna fight.
Shouldn't do it the way I did either. Like, it's dumb because what if you overactivated it because you didn't follow the measuring instructions? Like,
Punch button in. Fight me, bro. Oh.
this glue kind of burns too.
Me.
Oh, it only burns because I have a paper cut on my pinky, and that hurt when I got it. So
Yes, I won the fight. Yes. I won the fight. Yes.
I'm gonna check on it now.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, like my hands are jumping. Oh, it's coming together. It's coming together.
I won the fight. Yes. I won the fight. No, it's 4-4 now. What? Did I get into a fight? I don't know. Klingberg.
Look at this. It's pretty good so
Wait,
far.
didn't that go in our two? And this is weird. Yes! He scored!
I'm embarrassed now because I'm loading and messing up my video.
Virgin! That's my boy! I needed you to score! And you did it!
I actually listened to them and I poured it in to the activator, and all I'm gonna do is stir till it absorbs that,
No!
and then I'm just gonna.
Oh god!
Oh my gosh, it's working! I never thought this would work. So the way they do it might work. The way I did it worked.
Whoa! You mixed that, buddy?
I don't think it's stretchy because I kind of overactivated it.
Whoopsies.
No, actually, I don't think I did, because look at this.
No, let it in! I just want to fight you again. You're too small. You know I'm 5'9". Yeah. 156 now. I want to be taller than that. Well, I'm already taller than that without skates on, so. Yeah, the back I'm taller than that. Come on, shoot it! This is what
Look at this. It's working. It's actually coming together. It is taking the glue off my hands.
What, are you trying to draw a penalty?
Let's see if I put it in there and it takes the glue out of here. Oh my gosh, it's starting to.
Spitzer!
It
Come on,
didn't.
I want to stop Jason Spitzer.
Ah, I got on the paper. Just trying to clean up my area. It kind of worked, actually. I'm saying this worked.
Grandma,
I would give this a thumbs up.
pass it over.
And now, after I'm done with the video, I have to wait for Logan to be done playing his game so we can make the glow-in-the-dark slime.
I'm still in the first period.
Oh my gosh, how
It
long
takes
is
20
it?
minutes for the game.
Can you end it now?
I don't want to quit the game. That makes my grade go down.
Can you pause it?
No. Oh, you can make the other slime.
No!
Why?
You were supposed to be a part of this video.
I am, but I am not. I like...
Well, I guess I don't have a special guest.
What?
I guess I don't have a special guest. I'm sorry. Guys.
Social best.
I said a special guest.
Oh. I think it's social best.
You're already going blind. Please don't be going deaf now.
Play it?
In Minecraft?
Yeah. But yeah, I don't think you know how to play on it.
Minecraft? On your computer?
Yeah.
I have no clue how to play on there.
Oh, God. You mean Goldie? Hope letting you hurt.
Look at.
You made him go, ah!
Ooh.
Made him fly. Why can't you win?
I need a little more activator. It's kind of sticky. So I'll go in for the activator. Not gonna. Oh, bye. Kind of spilled all over the table. So we'll just do that, you know? And then put this on the table. I got the activator in. Sorry about my voice. I have been losing it the past few hours, let's just say. I had a strong voice this morning in school, but not after school. I had like a weak voice.
Oh, God.
It's not good slime without testing the poke test. So, it did not work. I'm sorry. This might not turn out as good slime because it did not pass the poking test, so.
Come on, Thompsonville. Even though you aren't on my team anymore, we just beat Thompsonville yesterday. It was 6-2. Yeah, neither really got a hat trick.
Ooh, it's starting to come off my hand. See, look.
Thompsonville! Thompsonville! I think that's him. Is that Thompsonville? I'll never know. I don't think that's Thompsonville. Pass it over to him. Oh, no, Landon Ferraro. Not no we have.
Yeah, I totally overactivated this. Look at it.
Landon Ferraro.
Ah!
What does that sound?
I have no clue.
God! I don't like retreat.
We're just gonna. No.
But
Even though my hands are very messy. I might make the other slime in a different video because this video is getting to 19 minutes and it's very long, so I don't want it to be that long. So I'm just gonna pour the sequins in because I want to be a mermaid. Look at me! There's a lot of sequins. I should give you like I don't know what to call it, like show you guys from the camera up.
Gabriel, you got us a penalty. You don't need good save. Great.
I'm just gonna mix these babies in.
Way too far out of my crease. This is why. Wait, we're only 3-2? Did not look at the scoreboard ever. Ellie.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Go, Saul, go. He's a puck hawk. Pass it back to Stewart. I want Stewart to score. Wait,
Me?
wait.
You want me to score?
No, there's a Chris Stewart.
Oh, is that my cousin?
No. You actually have a cousin named Chris?
No. I don't think.
Okay,
So we're gonna throw in some beads.
alright. Here they come. I thought it was a butterfly. I'm gonna do it. And it might be.
And let's mix in the beads.
It's a three challenge video coming out today or tomorrow. Can I only win doing slap shots? And
Here's the slime,
I'm gonna do
which
Western Ace
try to
and
stretch.
and
It
use
won't
it for
stretch.
prices when you're my goalie. Oh gosh!
Yep.
Caught me off guard yet again.
I would do it thumbs in the middle because
Come on, Stuart.
I overactivated it. The slime thumbs in the middle, but I overactivated it and I didn't follow the right instructions because I thought it would be dumb. But the glue was actually not thick enough, so you had to follow their instructions. And the package, a thumbs in the middle because like the box was horrible and they give you way too much touchable rate. And they should give you like a bigger bag, or don't even put it in a bag, and give you a mixing bowl or a mixing cup.
I need
Like,
to back up.
I would do that if I ever made a slime kit. So this is the mermaid. And in my next video, I will be making the glow. And hopefully with Logan. So
That's the fast way to get back.
I'm gonna clean up and tell you guys all about what I'm gonna do next.
How many minutes left in the game? First period. This is the most first boring.
So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't done this yet, subscribe, give this video a gigantic thumbs up to be a member of the Tays. And if you guys haven't subscribed or give this video a thumbs up, I'm giving you 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0.
Done. And if you guys subscribed and liked, I am giving you a big, gigantic hug. And in my next video, I might not be making he's doing something. In my next video, I'm gonna be making the glow slime, I think. And I might be giving shout outs.
Oh, yeah,
Thank you. Bye.